somebody's watching. I'm here, but if you're watching through the Jitsi chat, that's going to be faster. Okay. So why is that loop not working? What is the... I mean, I've been thinking about better ways to do this, but I want this loop to work. I want to understand it. Okay. Now, ham score plus, it's either 1 or 0. Position Wait, did I forget the... You gotta be kidding me. Oh, you dummy. Blah, 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 blah. Kulam of Dean, because I forgot to freaking reevaluate the buffer. Okay, now this is kind of ugly. And this is the else part of that. I'm gonna have to clean this up a bit. Why do we like in Lisp that all of the parentheses on the last line are like that? Why is Hemmings end here? What are you doing? No, Hemmings ends here. And let's see what else we got here. What else was I on? Is there a built-in? There's got to be a... Okay, so I want to point this out because I was watching a video today from somebody talking about, it was doing a presentation on Lisp. It was in Laravel convention, so no, whatever. And he was saying that there are no loops in Lisp. This is a loop. This is a loop. This is not. Maybe it's implemented with recursion, but this is a loop. There are loops in Lisp. We saw when we were looking at it earlier. Okay, so let's commit this. And so first, let's commit this. What are you asking me to save? Yes, I would like to save that. That would probably be a good idea. Oh, I didn't save all my other ones that actually worked. Oh, whatever. Checking in old answers. Okay, Hemming. First try at Hemming. Okay, so let's commit this. Let's submit this, and it is exorcism submit Hemming. Oh, that's weird. No, is it gonna run it from the... Probably not gonna like that because it's not... Oh, it did. Okay. Okay, commentary here. Okay, so I want to try. Okay, so I want to try and do this a little bit differently. Yeah, so let's see. There should be a reduce. Ooh, lots of reduce. Reduce. Well, there's no way for me to get a way to get inline help from that. It uses 2 argument across sec. Start and from initial value and key. What is minus reduce? What is minus reduce? Is it minus community value? Why? What is these minus functions? So this is a third-party library, so I don't really want to use it. I want to learn how to use what's in with emacs. So let's. Reduce. Oh, we got all these. You just go across. So why is it? Why is that? Reduce the function across sequence starting with initial value. Sec reduce and there's regular reduce. What is the difference between sec reduce and regular reduce? This is from CL. It's weird that these are not regular lists. I don't want to use the common list function yet because I want to do the common list track soon, and I don't want to. I don't like kind of what do you call it? There's one person watching. Is that me? I pause this. Am I gonna stop watching? What was I saying? I don't want to. I want to be able to see what's the common list way of doing this. Okay, so let's go back to looking at the info manual. Do lists, do times. These are recursions. Something out there. What these? Also a while loop that printed the elements of the list. I'm just going to But this is just regular recursion. This isn't like any of this weird stuff that we have in what do you call it? This isn't any of the weird stuff that you have in like closure. What's a recursive triangle function? Uses recursion. So they just call it. Oh, here we go. Here are 3 common recursive patterns. Each will say list. Recursion does not need to involve list, but list designed for lists and provides a sense as part of every accumulate. I think accumulate. I want to accumulate. Okay, so I could do this with recursion. I could do this with recursion. It's weird that there's no like. Okay, let's do it with recursion. Let's try and do it with recursion. You're doing it with recursion, it's more functional, right? Right. Okay, so this thing I don't need. How would I? Okay, so if I can, should be able to. Not rid of that. T. Yep. Pop. Okay. Okay, so let's get rid of that redundant tests. Okay, so so that. Remove redundant test for equals, because I'm checking. Okay, so if we do with recursion, so we don't need to nothing I'm not going to need. So hem string, the hem distance is going to be the sum of the hem distance of its substrings, right? So I need this. The hem distance is the sum of hem distance of substrings. Okay, so this thing is let leaking here is not going to really need it. All right, you know what? Just error and then it comes out here, so I can just get rid of all this stuff. Okay, so so first thing we want to do is we want to do tail recursion here, right? So we want to if not what's not 0? The only thing that's nil is going to be the empty string going to be an empty list. The only thing is okay, so we got not. A equals 0. Empty string. Yeah, okay, let's just do that. Okay, fine. Not equals 0. Length. Okay. Okay, so if we're not equal to 0, what do we want to do? We want to do some recursion here. So we want to wait, do we need to? But we need to also be able to give it the previous. No. Ah. Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna want to do the. Plus R. Hey, is car gonna work on our first? Oh, wait, you mean you? Can I do that? Now let's just do a car, and then we can do SE string to list. Oh, it's string to list, right? String MTP. String to car. Here, up. String. This is string to car. String to car. ABC. Very good. That's the same thing as using a car. So this thing, so this first, this we can get rid of. Bump, 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 bump. String MTP. Run one. Okay. Okay, so we can do plus. String to char of and string to into. Char strand 2. This is just okay. This is just stupid, but of hamming. What was I hamming distance of substring substring strand 1 and substring strand 2 1. Bing bing. Okay. Bing 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 bing. What are you not happy about? Nice percent. Alright. Okay. Somebody's calling me. How do I mute my mic for a second? Hey. Okay, now it's failing. The recursion works. Let's get string recursion. What was I doing? How did I do this before? Crap, I don't remember. I think I did equal. Oh, I wonder if this is boot string. Oh. So. What are these Boolean vectors? I think I've learned. Okay, so if that, if they're equal 0, if they're not 1, what is this weird music I'm listening to today? Two, let's see, run them all. Recursion. I don't think this is any more clear in the loop. But if seems like such a. I'll submit it anywhere. Okay, let's just submit this. Okay, I'm out of here. Bye.